Hello, my name is Jason Leong, and today we'll be going over the Vuetify front end user interface framework. So what Vuetify is it's a way to essentially make your website a lot prettier through using this front end framework. So here's the website to the Vuetify page, and it kind of goes over how to install Vuetify, and you can also do a tutorial on it to view the various components that they can provide. So one of the websites I used was called App Dividend, and there was a Vuetify tutorial that explains how to start a basic site using it, and it shows two different components that you can use, which is the toolbar one and the navigation drawer. So in order to install Vuetify, you have to use this npm install -g view -cli, and then once you have everything installed, you have to cd into that folder. In this case, it would be Vuetify tutorial, and you can do an npm run dev to pull up a local site to see it. And here I did it myself. Uh, Once you install it, you'll get a bunch of things inside your folder. Various things: build folder, config folder, node modules, the source folder. Most of the things that you'll work with will probably be located in the source folder. You have the hello world.view, which is this part right here, which is where the text is. Here it says first solve the problem. So that's the hello world file. And then the app view one is what controls the various components that you decide to use. So here we have a v-navigation-drawer, and if you scroll more down, we have the v-toolbar component, and we have vlist. So the app view is pretty much where all the components are. So I did a example on this. So here's my local host site, and it features the Vuetify tutorial, and I modified it a little so that you can see my face and my name in the side toolbar. So that's one of the components where we have this navigation drawer, and this top side is the toolbar. So we have my name, and then it takes an image from my LinkedIn site, and there's another one here, another drawer, and you can click here to switch it. So that's some of the nifty things you can do with Vuetify. The way I changed and modified it to show my name was I had the vlist tile content enclosed, and within that I had the vlist tile title, which has my name, and I close it off, and I added my picture by using this vlist tile avatar, and included an image source link. So this is my live example of Vuetify. There's a bunch of other things you can do with Vuetify. Here you can go to the main site, and you can go to the UI components, and it shows you the various components that you can use with examples. Here we have buttons, and you can have these various ones, and it shows examples. And if you click on the less than and greater sign, you can view source, and it shows you the code that you can use in your website. They also have cards, and these are pretty similar to Semantic UI. It has cards, buttons, and other things you can use for your front-end development. And that's my tutorial on Beautify. It's pretty simple to use. You just have to install it and then decide which components you want to include. And the great thing is it also has code for you to copy and paste to test and modify it into your own